Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi, I'm Chetna Pandey and today I'm with India Forum and they have decided to sneak into my phone and see what's inside there. So, let's see.
Chetna Pandey, who was last seen in MTV's show Ace of Space, was recently roped in by India Forums, and here we took a peek into Chetna's phone. So without any further ado, let's begin. Which phone do you own?
So, I have this new iPhone X6 Max. So, yeah, that's my phone.
Your home screen wallpaper?
My home screen wallpaper has to be me.
The last 3 tabs on Safari?
Okay, so one of my interview came, so I was just trying to look for it, and then I was searching for some really nice resort in Maldives because I really like that place. So yeah, just that, nothing exciting.
How many alarms do you have?
So I usually have only one alarm only because whenever I have to get up, the time changes, so I keep putting alarms according to that.
Number of photos in your phone gallery?
That would be a lot. Let's see. So it's 12,997. That's quite a lot. That's why I changed this phone, and this phone has the maximum GB, some 500, 600 GB. So yeah, now I can click as much as I want.
The most embarrassing photo of yours?
The most embarrassing photo of mine. I don't know about embarrassing photo, but I have this really interesting picture. Yeah. So I don't know about embarrassing, but I have this really interesting picture of mine at this studio called Click Nixon. So 7-8 years back, when I came to Bombay for the first time, when Ekta spotted me in Pune, and I was supposed to do a show for them, which didn't work out later on. But this was the studio where the first time I entered and I gave my first look test. So this place is really special. So I went there, and memories were flashing where I had no clue. First time I saw the camera, first time makeup happened on my face. So yeah, that was very interesting.
The last picture you took?
The last picture I took, I think, was right here. This last picture is this, actually, just a selfie I took last night.
Apps that you use to edit your photos?
Apps that I use to edit my photos. So there is this, there's this Beauty Plus, there is this PS Express. These are the two I use for my photo editing. Yeah.
Share a photo with a memorable backstory to it.
I just shared one, actually. One more. No, this was actually a very interesting story, which I just went there and I just felt, years back, everything, all the memories came to my head, how I came to Bombay, leaving my MBA and my studies, just to act and all. So yeah, very interesting.
The last screenshot you took?
I have to check. I keep taking a lot of interiors ka snap because I really like interiors. It has to be something from Instagram. Actually, I took a screenshot of this really nice code, addicted to success. When I lost all my excuses, I found my results. So yeah, I keep checking on a lot of good codes.
Most used app?
Most used app. So one is this Gaana.com. So I play my songs in that, and then I use this InShot a lot because to my pictures, Insta size, I use this app a lot. Yeah, these are the two I use a lot.
A stupid or random app that you have?
There is this app Pixaloop, which has the sky is moving, the water is moving. So I downloaded it because I really wanted to do something with it, but I could not figure out how exactly you do it. So since then I have loaded it, and once I tried also, it was a disaster. So I think then I thought I'll see some videos or tutorial to how to do it, but then I've never. So it's been 2 weeks, it's just lying in my phone for no reason.
If you had to uninstall an app right now, which one would it be?
Uninstall an app right now, I can't. Zomato is like life. There's something really stupid, clips. I think I like a lot of video editing and photo editing things. So whatever I see, I keep downloading. But then this one I've never used, so I think I can delete it.
The last missed call you have?
It's from my friend. She just called me for something. I have to still call her back.
Person who you call the most?
I don't talk a lot on the phone, even to my family. I talk like once in a whole day. Night mein hamari baat hoti hai. But nowadays I'm talking a lot to my mom because my nanny just passed away and she's not really feeling well. So now I call her a lot. Like in this week I've been calling her a lot. Yeah.
Most famous person on your contact list?
I have Varun Dhawan's numbers. I think yeah, he is.
Your last 3 calls?
It's to one is to one of my directors. We have a meeting for a movie tomorrow. One is my best friend. She just called me, and one is to my maid because I had to keep calling her all the time. Are you coming on time or not? So yeah, these are the 3 people.
One person you haven't replied on WhatsApp?
There are a lot of people that I don't reply on WhatsApp because sometimes I have to make plans, and then I'm busy. I'm somewhere here and there, so not replying I do a lot, which is really bad. But yeah, sometimes I just do.
An Instagram account that you have blocked?
Instagram account that I've blocked. Recently, I've not blocked any of the accounts, but earlier there were a few people who used to like comment really weird. Like before going to the space house, so then I used to just block them, but now I think there's a lot like that, so then I have just stopped blocking or even noticing such silly things.
Whose Instagram account you stalk the most?
Whose Instagram account do I stalk the most? There are few fashion bloggers I stalk their accounts the most, but Amanda Cerny, I think I stalk her account a lot because the content inside is pretty amazing. The kind of videos she makes and all, she's kind of cute. So yeah, I stalk her.
Most used emoticon?
It's that no reaction face. Yeah.
Call someone who you know would never pick up in the first go.
The first go, that's one of my best friend. He never picks up on the first go, so I know for a fact every time I call him, he will never pick up. So speak of it. Maybe he picks up. Oh, you did pick up.
Yeah?
You did pick up. I was in an interview and so they were asking, I was like, who's the person who never picks up in the first go? So I was like, my best friend, he never picks up in one go. So you picked up, wow. On records you pick up in one go.
Right.
Chalo, I'll call you back because it's been recorded, you won it.
Okay.
Chalo, bye. Oh, he did pick up. Not bad.
And if we ask you to call somebody from the Ace of Space house,
Huh.
if you want to call them right now, who would be?
Right now, I would call Fezzy Boo or Ria. I'll call Fezzy Boo. Fezzy tap. I don't know what I'm doing now. Then the second choice will be Ria. Yeah, have a good day. People are picking up the phone. Let's see if he picks up.
Bye,
Hi.
what's up?
Nothing. I'm in an interview. Like I'm in India Forum, so they were asking me if from the space house, who do you want to call? And the first, so I said Fezzy Boo, and you picked up. Say hello
Imagine.
to everyone.
Hi.
Say hi to India Forum. Hello.
Hello.
Just say hi. It's
Hello.
so that's the
I picked it up
diva.
and how? It was just, in a second I picked it up.
Yeah. See, I picked up the right
Perfect
person.
choice. You
Yeah.
have the perfect choice.
And you're perfect, boo. Chalo, I'm gonna call you once I finish this. Then we'll catch up. Okay?
Okay.
Bye, love. Bye.
Bye.
He's the cutest. He's too cute.
Lastly, are you a phone addict?
So I am a phone addict. I was really thinking when they told me that I have to go to the space house and I will be without my phone for a month, which turned into 2 months. And I was like, oh god, this is not going to happen. So the first few days we had a mic. So every time we used to sit somewhere, we used to be like, oh, where's the phone? Phone kahin chhut gaya? So literally for a week this has happened every time. कुछ भी लगता था जो phone के size का था, we used to be like, oh shit, phone है. I used to be checking my phone all the time, whatever I wear. Then I realized कि अभी नहीं है phone. But वो जो 2 महीने phone के बिना हमने spend किए हैं, I can't tell you how amazing that was because to be very honest, हम लोग खुद के साथ time spend नहीं कर पाते because all the time we are in our phones. So you know the relationship that we have with our own selves is also getting spoiled. Forget about the relationship with someone else because I have seen so many times couple go out for dinners and they're just on their phone all the time. There's no sense of like, you know, spending time with each other, keeping the phone aside. It doesn't happen. But after coming from there, I've realized this is very important. So if I watch a movie, I make sure my phone is aside. If I go for a dinner with someone, I make sure my phone is aside because it's very important to be in the moment with that person you're with. So yeah, but it's a damn addiction. I was addicted to it. I think I am now also, but it's 50% less than what I was before. So like 24/7 I used to be on my phone. Now I think for 4-5 hours I am because I have to do something or the other, but I'm still like, I'm still better. So that really helps. It was very interesting actually. I had a lot of fun, a lot of new things. I also got to know which was in my phone and which was lying there, which was interesting. Hi, I'm Chetna Pandey and you guys are watching me on India Forum.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this segment with Chetna. If you did, do comment and tell us. Pooja Mahajan, camera person Babaji and Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.